Open wide the iron gates by Temple of Blood. Much has been said about this text by people who are the sort who will buy a show or a scene or a book for a few pages, missing the overall message. The impetus of Iron Gates by Temple of Blood goes beyond the narrative, which is notorious for its violence and sexual content. It certainly has enough of that to make it too much for many, and a preparation for the possibilities of a harsh future for others. A person could poke a few holes in the technological or material culture issues for society 75 years after a global cataclysm by nuclear war, but only a few that most will not notice. People will say that due to some grammatical errors or a few minor expressions indicating sexual repression in the author, that certain other books might better serve the purpose of desensitization or fetishism. I would say that it is not about that for me. Does it exaggerate the physical features and history of Stumphouse Tunnel, Walhalla, South Carolina? Yes, but it is fiction and does so in a sort of apocalyptic literature way. It doesn't have a listing of all of what are called the dark gods, but hints that all cults of them are a possibility in the change over of the current type of society. What would a book of Revelations mean for Temple of Blood? It would mean something further than the Christian idea, but some of that will be said in Bluebird. We have Nadezhda Yatskaya, our hope like a pie eaten with honey, hopeful biscuit with butter and eggs, cooked in a pot or jar. The name fits in terms of her choices towards joining and how food, power, honor, harnessed attraction, and experience beyond her imagination was with the organization. But it may have been a reference to war with Russia being the probable cause of societal collapse 75 years prior, and the namesake of one of the victims of Sergei Alexievich Osipenko, killed in the Voronezh Oblast of Kazakhstan. The commandant's methodology before having sex with someone bears resemblance to that character. Some conspiracy theorists' claims about society and drug use by gangs could also relate, but real medical experiments and such have come to light. A special drug blend relates to how his organization produces the frenzy in its operatives. The point for me was that substances could be used towards an end, as was the styles of violence in other display. The story here was her transformation into Bluebird. By joining and advancing in a militant cult. Among many, also tried and trained. For the ever-terrifying secondary figure of the dark god's path of Moon to Venus, which personifies death or the Grim Reaper, Gaupney. The commandant seems to represent an incarnation of Drill Sergeant Gray, and the other parts of the organization can be said to be the other Grays, are dark gods. Other cults are not as fought, as they work to form a completely non-mundane society. But jealousy, lust, and a sense of insulted honor will dominate internal organizational risks. Forbidden relationships will be the most productive in worldly terms, and society will find itself pass on to hell, both the afterlife and here, with the sort of evil that goes beyond what would raise the rating of a television show or movie. The greater evil is not the high crimes, but the amoral detachment towards work as an agent for the unseen, doing and not doing for the great demon and demons is the immoral evil beyond just being criminal and perverted. I know I used that phrase in the title of my initial comments on Liber 333. The entities know about you and have control from their unseen realm before one even steps foot on the infernal path. The noctulian can come to terms with this and control their experience as blue-pilled. The rude awakening and satanic jihad of what that implies is a noctulian red-pilled, having completely given up on the liberal and conservative ways of the mundane. The noctulian finds the dark vistas beyond your typical black-pilled one, who surrenders. With non-detachment in the world reliant on forbidden relationships for what it produces, their fervent striving takes them throughout life to the other side. Citra Atra. Here and beyond. To an insight of a future beyond the iron gates, beyond the pale of the husks, fleet pooped, the noctulian will have become as the object and organization of the cults in themselves. Lum qastivum havaxleave wo kilti haziram zipti. 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 The hell and heaven of the Greys is with the presence of a sergeant who tests and trains with knowledge of the edges of terms and transcendence.